How to upload local files to Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how you can upload local files to Spotify. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now currently, if I go ahead and then if I show you my Spotify app, and if I also come to my music library section, here you'll be able to see all of the playlists that I have created, but not the ones that you have on your device. So if you want to listen to songs that I actually downloaded on your device, if I go to my files over here, I have a couple of songs downloaded over here. If I go to audio files, as you can see a list of songs and playlists, and if I want to show these songs to my Spotify app, then all I have to do is come to my home page first. And once I come to my home page, I would have to tap on the gear icon on the top right, which is the settings button. As you tap on the settings button, here scroll down to the bottom of the screen and you would find the option called local files, and you want to make sure to turn this toggle on that says show audio files from this device, add tracks from this device into your library. So just turn on this toggle. If you're doing this for the first time, it'll ask you for the files and device permission, so make sure to allow that. And now you could basically come to your library section, and once you come here, you'll be able to see a new section that says local files. If I tap on it, you'll be able to see a list of songs that I have downloaded onto my phone. I can also go ahead and then play this if you want. I could add this to a playlist or do whatever I want. This process, you can do it on your Windows or your PC as well. That's all it takes to upload local files to Spotify. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.